Let me tell you about everything we ate sa buffet dinner ng Salt Restaurant noong nag-staycation kami sa Widas Hotel sa Clark, Pampanga. Yung buffet dinner dito is available from Fridays to Sundays pero pinakabongga yung Friday. Kasi meron silang buffet plus barbecue and live entertainment for only 1,199. Although Saturday tayo nagpunta, so for today hindi available yung barbecue. Ganun pa man, sobrang dami pa ring mga choices both ng international and na Filipino cuisine. Super enjoy tayo syempre dun sa mixed seafood tapos sinabayan ko ng chop suey on the side. Bongga rin yung roasted chicken nila kasi meron siyang kasamang roasted vegetables and fruits. I would say yung pear at saka apple ang perfect niya isabay sa tuwing nagro-roast kayo ng protein. Kasi yung slight na acidity and yung sweetness nagko-complement siya doon sa linamnam ng fats na nagre-render from the meat. Gustuhan ko rin yung parang beef stroganoff nila kasi the meat is very tender. Tapos marami pang ibang pagpipilian na station. Merong cold cuts and cheeses. There's soup, bread and pasta at syempre meron ding dessert.